Hey guys, continue, and in this video I'll be talking about how to install Java Development Kit and how to run our first program on Eclipse IDE. So there are many IDEs, but in this video I'll be talking about using Eclipse IDE and running our first program. So for first things first guys, let's move to installation process. So what I type here is JDK for JDK directly. And here I get the first option from Oracle, Java SE downloads JDK. I'm going to click on it, and here we have the JDK download. Also, you can view the documentation of download, but I already have JDK downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. But you can click here and install JDK package. And again, I'll be doing Eclipse here. Eclipse for Java. Eclipse is used for C, C++, PHP, Python, many of the languages, but for now we'll be using Eclipse for Java. So select the first option from here, and what I get is, the Eclipse window. Here I have the option from, by the way, so here I have option from Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, Mac, and Linux. So whatever your operating system is, and depending upon 32-bit or, oh man, this is distracting me. So whatever your system is, 64-bit or 32, you can install by clicking here. I already have Eclipse installed in my laptop, and it's 64-bit, so I won't be installing it again. You can click here and install. So after installation, you'll get a simple window where you can just click next, and remember to select the proper location for installation. Install both the files, the JDK one and the Eclipse, both in the same location or directory. Don't mislocate the both of them, guys. It will be very troublesome afterwards. So after installation, what I do is open Eclipse. I guess it'll take some moment, but it's here. Workspace is default and I won't change it. All your files and the Java classes what you make will be saved there, and when I click is launch. Again, it'll take some moments. Guys, there are many platforms, like there are many IDEs for Java. For example, NetBeans or IntelliJ. You can use any one of them, but for the purpose of introducing first program with Eclipse, I'll be using Eclipse here. So the window comes and you have tutorials, overview, samples, and what's new. You can just go through it or check out projects from Git and GitHub. And so what I'll be doing is file, creating new project. Each time we'll be creating new project, and that in each project I'll be creating new Java class. I can have multiple classes in one project. So your new Java project, you can name anything. For example, I type here trial proj. So it is all the settings are default and you don't have to check any one of them. Let's see, I have installed JDK, so your default JRE is JDK 3.0.1, and workspace is compiled using this platform, but I don't have to select it, it's already selected. And so create separate folder source files, and I click next. Again, a source file is created where our files, where classes will be saved, and I do finish. Here it gives me the final module, create. So guys, I won't see the window here about the project, but what I can do is click on restore and I'll be able to see my project window here. Again, the tutorial, sample, and what's new option comes here. Well, you can close it from here anyway, depending upon your choice. Also, for me, I have kept the console model here, so whenever I run the project, I'll get it here. So, but you can change according to whatever view you want. And then again, this is the trial project, and what I will do is right click it. I have to right click on the project that I made, okay guys? So here I right click it and check it. I can see, or I can delete it if I want and create new one. I can open new window here, and these are all the options. But when I am creating new file, what I have to do is right click on the source folder, then new and Java class. In Java, we don't call programs or files, but we call Java classes because it is an object-oriented language and for other purposes also. So name of the project, I'll name it TRIAL trial 1 and public. And yeah, if you're a lazy one like me, all you have to do is click on this box. So you'll get the public static void main. That syntax is already printed when you open your file, so you don't have to print it again or you don't have to type it again. So yeah, finish. See, I told ya. Enter. And for running the first basic program, we'll try running if all this hard work pays off. System.out.println, and so what println does for us is prints. Oh wait, what's the matter? Yeah, println, I'm sorry, I am doing the syntax. And yeah, what println does for us is prints everything in new line. You can use print as well. So yeah, my first program, hello guys, semicolon, don't forget it. Yeah, so oh my god, how can I forget the capital S here? See, what IDE does for you is it highlights the text, it highlights the important ones, and you see, if I do your small s, I won't get that highlight. So you have to, understand that your syntax is wrong, you're doing something wrong, and in fact, the red mark here also shows that my syntax is wrong or the system cannot resolve my program. So as the syntax is capital S and C, I get the blue one here. Now to run this file, what I'll do is click on the project, right click on it and run as Java application. I have only one file saved here, that is trial 1, so I won't be getting any other files, but if I create more files, I'll also get them. So select all doesn't mean anything for now, but yeah, it's already selected and I'll run it. Save and launch. So yeah, we have done it right till now. There is the hello guys program in the console run. Now let us try another file to show how multiple files appear. Go on source, click new Java class, and name of my Java class is trial2. Public, again I'll select this one, and yeah, this is my trial 1, this is trial 2. I'll create all the other files to avoid the confusion. Console, trial 1 and trial 2. System.out.println, which is the default syntax to print any of the outputs you want. That is the second one. Yeah, and the semicolon, yeah. So I'll run this one, but now when I click on my trial project and I click run as here, run as Java application, so yeah, I get 2 files. So now both of them can be run, or I can select any one of them. I selected 2 here and I select this one here. So I'll try to run project 2. Okay, this is the second one. You can also run multiple files depending upon how you want to do it. But anyway, this was the basic tutorial on how to install JDK, how to use Eclipse, how to create our first project. You can always have multiple projects. You can select projects from the recent files, like if this was the trial 1 and the trial 2 class that I made, and I can open it, the module info Java, I can use that one and create new classes in that as well. So it isn't like I have created project once and I cannot add more files there. I can always do that. So yeah guys, this was it for this one, and we'll be continuing Java in upcoming more videos. Do tell me your queries in the comment section below. Thank you so much. If you find the video informative, do like and share.